Haga kendai trik no pra arjar arsan ke Nartiang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School kalapan kun no ya ke jingiphuh ya ke Jubilee Ksiar ya ke ni ke skul sedang haus nem syajar kendai sepak nyopsan pan mentau snem arjar arsan kalakot syakasan po teli gisnem maka ajeng syakri ya ki pajba ketegetan ha ke jingelang kabalalong ha ke senang modam. Menteri Rangba kejelau konrat ke sang maha bakran ha kene ke sni penkut ulong ba uai kublai ya kene ke skul kabal ai ke jeng syakri ha ke puli putih ha kene ke tan mentalasan pos nem nenter ulong ba ha bakishimti ya ke sorkar osnem arjar khat pra ke lebu ya ke puli putih kum ke wei ke phang ke bah khmat ke sorkar kelapen kiu ya ke mang tengka ke tanat puli na ke arhajar klor sya ke lahajar san sepak klor tengka ha bakenya ke jingdan ke skul loong ba ha ke jela Tripura kedan kebedan sau pesan lak kinong syang senong kedan sau hajar teli ke skul ke jela Nagaland kebedan sau hajar teli ke skul kat ba ke jela Meghalaya kedan hadu san hajar teli ke skul habaya nujor ya ke jingjan kinong hikai ke jela Manipur kedan lapesan hajar ngot kinong hikai ke Tripura sau po hajar ngot kat ba ke jela Meghalaya kedan hadu san pesan hajar ngot kinong hikai ban kersian ya kene ke skul Menteri Rangba ul ban benabu un kersian ar pulak tengka na ke Chief Minister Special Development Fund ha kene ke ngila dan lang MLA kene ke jakau basnya bahalang dahar badeu sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela oba thambar siwat CM ke JHADC utemen basan ba H Kendriam syongkonor ke skul IGR Tongper Principal NPHSS modab bat kiwai-kiwai.
Because as you all know, for any rational government or organization or department to act would be to simply close down those schools. But then there are teachers who are teaching in those schools. Each of the teachers has got families. Their livelihood depends on that. And hence, as a government, it is our duty to look into that and protect them also. But how do we ensure that we are able to slowly and steadily rationalize the schools so that we are able to then bring in a more balanced structure among the schools? And that is exactly what we are doing today. I want to share with you on this platform, we have had 3-4 meetings in the last 1 month. Our ad hoc teachers, our SSA teachers will be happy to know that we are very close to finalizing the structured salary which the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers have been demanding. It is not just about degrees. It's about building the character. It's about the discipline, the human being that comes out after the person is educated. The faith, the belief, the fear, the love of God, the patriotism for their land, the respect for their elders, the hard work, commitment, sense of purpose. I would like to see that our education system should be able to nurture and bring out children with true character. That is real education. And therefore I say that we have a very, very long way to go. But I must compliment the Nartiang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School for the kind of contribution that you have made to society today. I'm sure that all the people involved with the school must be looking back at the last 50 years with a sense of satisfaction.
Terku